The stock market isn't just numbers, it's a battlefield with three key phases: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. These phases are the secret code of the charts, revealing what big institutional players are up to. Accumulation is when smart money quietly buys up shares, keeping prices steady and boring. The price barely moves, but under the surface, big players are loading up for a major move. Next comes manipulation, the head fake. Institutions might push prices down sharply to scare out weak hands, triggering panic selling. This is a trap. They're just scooping up more shares at a discount before the real rally. Finally, distribution. After a big run-up, those same institutions start selling off their shares quietly. The stock might look strong, but the smart money is heading for the exits while the public rushes in. If you don't recognize these phases, you're the one left holding the bag. Learn to spot the footprints of the big players, and you'll stop being their target. Accumulation is the quiet before the storm. Manipulation is the storm itself. Don't get shaken out. Distribution is the calm before the drop. The market story is written in these phases. Miss them, and you're just another casualty. Master them, and you're playing the game on expert mode. Don't be the last one in. Know when to get in and when to get out. Why does this matter? Because your money's at stake. Most retail investors buy high and sell low, falling right into the trap of these phases. Understanding accumulation, manipulation, and distribution gives you an edge. You'll spot when smart money is buying and when they're quietly selling. This knowledge helps you buy when others are fearful and sell when others are greedy. It's about making calculated moves, not emotional ones. Spotting distribution can save you from riding a stock all the way down. Protecting your capital is rule number one. The market isn't random. There are patterns and footprints left by institutions. Learn to read them, and you'll act with confidence, not panic. You'll stop chasing hot tips and start making smart decisions. This is your ticket to playing in the big leagues. Don't just survive, thrive. How do you spot these phases on a chart? It's all about observation. Accumulation shows up after a downtrend, price goes sideways in a tight range, volume spikes on up days, but no breakout. That's big money quietly buying, absorbing all the selling. Imagine a stock stuck between $10 and $12 for months, boring, right? But every dip sees a surge in buying volume. That's your clue. Institutions are building positions. Distribution is the opposite. After a big run-up, price stalls at the top, failing to make new highs. Volume spikes on down days, but the price doesn't collapse. Smart money is selling to eager latecomers. The news is great, but the chart tells a different story. When a stock can't break higher despite good news and heavy volume, watch out. The smart money is exiting, and when they're done, the drop can be brutal. Don't get distracted by hype. Read the chart. Accumulation and distribution leave clear footprints. Learn to spot them, and you'll know when to act. The chart is your map. Follow it, not the crowd. Stay alert, and you'll avoid the traps. Let's talk about manipulation, the market's dirty trick. The classic shakeout after accumulation, the stock suddenly drops below its range, triggering panic and stop losses. Retail investors sell in fear, but institutions scoop up those shares at a discount. The stock quickly rebounds, leaving the panic sellers behind. Another trick is the pump and dump. Insiders hype up a stock, then dump their shares as the price soars. When the hype fades, the stock crashes and late buyers are left with losses. Manipulation preys on emotion, greed, and FOMO. Be skeptical of too-good-to-be-true stories and sudden spikes in low-quality stocks. Stick to quality companies and avoid the hype. Don't let the market's tricks catch you off guard. So how do you win? Start with research. Know the company, not just the chart. Accumulation and distribution analysis is the final step, not the only one. Be patient. Big moves take time, and waiting for confirmation pays off. Don't chase parabolic stocks. You're likely buying at the top. Manage risk, diversify, set exit points, and use stop losses to protect your capital. A small loss is a lesson. A big loss can end your journey. Keep learning, study charts, read, and learn from mistakes. The goal isn't perfection, but to win more than you lose. Understand the game and you're ahead of the crowd. The market rewards discipline and knowledge. Don't get played. Play smart. Master these phases and you'll trade with confidence. Now get out there and make it happen.